All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a one tooth custom cap. All right, this one here is 925 solid sterling silver, and it is iced with real natural diamonds. These are diamonds from the earth. They're not cubic zirconia, not simulated or fake. Real diamonds, guys. In fact, I'm going to test it for you using the Oris Nelson Enterprises Inc. Diamond Night DN1 Pro diamond tester. Okay, check this out. Real diamonds, guys. Do it again. Real diamonds. Again. Real diamonds. All right. Check that out. blingcartel.com. Custom fitted tooth. You choose what tooth you want. Iced with natural diamonds. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, y'all have a good one.